Okay.
Friends, remember this one?
Okay. Domain editing on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
click onto that edit settings. Now come to edit settings. Click onto that star. No. Don't. That star itself.
Right
That
star.
star.
This edit summary.
No. You go to that star. Can you please go to the top one star? Click on that. Again. Please do one more time.
Then
Edit settings.
Okay.
Is it changing?
So there is no network problem, I think. So
now it is changing. Now type your name. Can you stop sharing?
Okay, I have full site name.
Yeah, you give your domain name or something like that.
Okay.
Or Aditi's e-learning module. Tomorrow, I think you will be becoming some Byju's app like the Aditi's app or something like that. You can give.
Okay. So actually, sir, Aditi के नाम से already किसी ने करके रखा है. I can write my surname.
Hold on. You don't want to worry about that. That is for domain address. Here you can use Aditi n number of times. Nobody will question because you are the admin.
Aditi, my new Moodle site.
Okay. Or better, you give a domain name. Your topic in which you are dealing. Can you stop sharing? Please give a chance to others.
So just
Aditi.
Worry,
it will come.
And only Aditi.
According to your interest.
Okay.
If you want Aditi's learning module.
Okay.
ALM.
Okay.
Remember one thing, do you know? After creating friends, listen. After creating the page, take a click onto that print screen and save it in your system. Take a color print, and I told you use this for your interview, promotion, etc.
Okay.
So this is for your empowerment.
Okay.
So whenever you give a name, remember that you are going to show it to your boss or some outside academician. So keep that in mind while framing the module. So that is why I told better use a domain name. Sir, while interview you can say, sir, I had created an e-learning module. I had using it right from 2020 because the year is there. If they cross check means you will be getting into trouble. If I type this link now, it will show in search. It will show when this was created. So you please don't try to fool. Specify the particular year. 2020 I started using e-learning module, and from then on I am using it, and I got sufficient expertise, and I had undertaken a course provided by St. Joseph College. Like that you can put, you got a certificate, from that you are into e-learning module, that you can highlight. So this should be used as a proof for your future. So take a printout, save it into as a print image, go to Paint, paste it on Paint, and save it as file number 1.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I would like to present. I would like you to see my, like the dashboard or the profile that has been created.
You share. I am here. I am waiting for somebody to respond. So that is why I told you, whatever I say today, you need to infer and use it for your future.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one more doubt.
Bagisa, I will get back to you. Please hold on. Let me see this one.
Is
Modern Indian history.
Can you see this, sir?
Yes, it is live. Modern Indian history.
This is correct, great. Sir. This is the format in which it should appear.
Yes, that's better. Because it is better you use a domain name rather than your personal name.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Or a module for Indian history, or learning module for Indian history, something like that.
Sure.
Because
thank you.
That is what I told you. Tomorrow you will be using it for some other purpose.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Bagisa, back to you. Anything else, sir?
Sir, there is also a 45 days free trial version also available. Is it correct?
Yeah. It is only 45 days. Earlier it was 3 months. 3 months, and then they reduced to some other number, and now they know now the demand is getting high. Do you know, I came into this field by 2015. When I
Will they
go
ex-
for 2015, 15, 16, 17, etc. When I go discuss with someone, they will be laughing at me. Oh, what is this use? This fellow, this why he is into these kind of things? We can use chalk and talk. That is more than enough. That is why now each and everyone. That is why I told you, in today's market, go around and search for mic and camera. It is not available because
Sir,
schools had started implementing it, and the colleges are following them.
sir,
Okay, anyone else, please?
sir,
Yes, sir.
can we extended the period only
Of
after
course.
pay the amount? Yes, sir.
Yeah, because that will be stable one. This, these limited versions doesn't have any features. There are so many add-on features which make Moodle the most popular one.
Okay, okay. But
Mr.
there is a
Can I share
payment.
mine? Can I
Payment, it is dollars. I showed you, first itself you can see free version, the paid, etc. Next one, please. Yeah, I'm here.
Can I-
Please share your screen. Oh, you sure?
Can I share?
Yes.
Yeah.
If it is left blank, somebody jump in. You don't want to ask.
Okay.
Okay. Innovation in education. Great. That's great.
Oh, sorry.
Innovation in education. It is the course title or something else? Can you?
No, I think somebody else has popped in.
It is course title, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then it's great. I thought it's a chapter.
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
Okay, great. So you are seriously into this innovation. My goodness.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, sir, we are working in another.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello. Yes,
Excuse me,
please.
sir.
Yeah.
सर जैसे गूगल में अपने आप ड्राइव में सेव होता जाता है, इसमें
हाँ.
हमको हर बार सेव करना पड़ेगा.
Yes. Save and display. Save changes, etc.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anthony,
Sir,
sir,
we are
you are live.
working in another laptop.
Sorry.
So we are
Thank you,
working
sir.
in another device, and it is really difficult to share.
Aha. Which is the device? Mac.
Another laptop.
Then there is no issue. If it is laptop, I thought it is some Apple phone or some costly phone. Then
No,
sorry.
sir. I have two laptops. One is for your presentation. Another one is for my creation.
Aha. So no, depend on one. That is better. The trusted
Okay.
one. Yes, please.
हमारी
Next one, please. Hello.
अहिले जान्छस् र
हाँ, दूसरा वाला दिखा दो.
इथो बसिहाल्यो कि आटा के
Hello.
అలాగే తెలియదు ఇంకోలేక డిగ్రీ అవును
See, those who are sitting idle, you can make cosmetic changes to your site, give a name, share, highlight your photo, etc. Anyone else? Sibichen sir, you are live. Smita ma'am, you are live. Smita ma'am, if you want, you can put your photo. Click onto that, and you can insert your photo. Can you show me the content, the web page? Right to introduction to Moodle. Go to the left hand side, click to introduction to Moodle. Hello. Smita ma'am, you are live. This is to you. Ma'am, can you do me a favor? Click on to introduction to Moodle. So you have not made any changes to the site. Tanya ma'am, you are live.
So this is the
Great,
screen.
man. Physical chemistry world. That's great. So you created a course as well. Come on. That's great. So
Just
I
started.
don't know. So you have literally put me in a dilemma. Should I put my top gear or should I adopt the lag approach? See, friends,
As
she
you
had
said, I was
started
just
creating a course.
experimenting.
She had created a course as well. So next one, please. Ma'am, can you stop sharing? Give chance to others, please. Hello. Seems Everything is perfect. Can I go to my next part? Or does anyone want to share the screen? Hello.
We can move
Hello, sir.
ahead, like I
No, I think we need some time, so that people come in the same pace.
Okay, great.
Can
Oh,
you-
sure,
Thank you.
I'll wait.
Sure.
See, I am waiting for your
Yeah.
instructions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. LMS for education psychology. Yeah, great one. Yes, great. See, Punita ma'am, are you not interested in putting your photo? I thought you will be interested in putting your photo as well to gain that extra authenticity of your site.
Kindly explain the procedure to upload the profile picture. I think
Click
it is
on
not
the-
working in.
Go to that round circle nearby that. You can see an arrow down below. Click onto that and you can change profile.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Profile.
that's simple. It's like Google Mail itself. No technicalities in that.
Oh, okay. Then it is asking leave site. When I click on the profile, it is
No, it will not.
that it is malfunctioning.
No. When you click, you can see down below its profile.
Okay. Profile is.
You close all the other web page. Just concentrate on this web page. Then it will be easy for you.
Yeah.
Anyone else, please?
Thank you.
See, the instruction is to wait for others. I am waiting for all of you and nobody is turning up.
So we are ready to move ahead.
Can I go to the next one?
Sure, sir.
Okay, then. Now what we'll be doing is go to the right left side. You can see site administration. Click onto that. Click onto that. Add a category. Then you can see middle. You can see courses. Take a look at this one. Left side, site administration. You can see site administration, users, courses. Now, and down below, second one, add a category. What is the category? That is graduate student, postgraduate student, postgraduate course, graduate course, SEM 1, SEM 2, SEM 5, etc. That is the category. In that, you need to create the course. I prefer it as SEM 1, SEM 2, etc. First year BA, second year BA, first year BSc, something like that. Site administration, click on to site administration. From site administration, users, courses. Then go to the next one. Create a new category. Specify the name. Type core papers. If you want, you can type core papers, supplementary papers. Then click onto that category. And see, take a look at the right side. Create a course. If it is BA English, write the particular paper on the right side. You can see two arms showing. One is create a category. Create a category. First year, second year, first some second year, undergraduate, postgraduate, etc. And that you can on the left side. After clicking onto the link, you can see create new course.
So category is a broader term within which we can have more core papers. Am I right?
But after creating category, you should click onto that particular category. That conveys to the program that you are interested in creating something underneath that. Okay. Now type the name, and I'm stop sharing here, and I'll be taking a look at each one of your screens. Friends, please start sharing the screen. I like to see a create category and a course as well displayed. You can add, if you're sitting idle, you can add more number of courses. Create category, course. SEM1, course. Graduate, Aditi ma'am, you are live. Now, can you go back? Add a new course. Course full name. Can you go back to site administration? Can you maximize the screen? I am seeing site administration. Don't worry. If you click also, there is some issue. Don't worry. Leave. You might be asked to log in again. Yes. Click on the courses. Click on the courses. You don't want to search. Yeah. Search. Now, can you go back? Go to site administration. Go to site administration. Come to courses. Hello, click on the courses. Courses. Click. Add a category. Add a category. Type the category name. Top. Yeah, top. So specify the parent, it is top. Then only it will be visible. If you specify under miscellaneous, it will come under miscellaneous only. Type the course name. Semester 1 or semester 5 or a graduate program or postgraduate program, something like that. Then category ID, SEM1 or SEM2, which you prefer to give. Neelu ma'am, you are live. Yeah, Neelu ma'am, you are perfect. Create a category. Ma'am, create a new category.
Create a new category.
Click on that.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Specify the course you are dealing with. SEM category name, semester graduate or something like that. Semester 1. SEM1.
Okay. Okay.
SEM2. Okay.
Okay.
SEM2
Okay.
is enough.
Okay. Okay, sir. And then category ID number 101.
You can give anything.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Type, if you want to describe about this thing, you can type down below that this course, this module create. Okay, later. Come down. Down below.
Sir.
Go down. Create category.
Create category. Okay, B.Ed
So,
SEM2.
now, see, there is an issue. You have given it under miscellaneous. You should have given it as top. Then it will be coming as. Click onto that.
So
Category
it is
name.
coming up also category B.Ed SEM2.
Okay. Click onto that. Yeah. Click down.
Yeah.
Parent
Yeah.
category. Top. Yeah. Create category. Friends, take a look at this one. Category name. B.Ed SEM2. Specify top. Parent category. Category ID 2010. Something like that. Create category. No, you should have a small name as well. Have you given that? Okay, great. Now click onto that. Down below, SEM2 is given. That's correct.
Okay.
Red one, no. Parent category
Yeah.
top. Category ID also, if possible, you give, because it will be shown on the left side. That's enough. Yeah. Create category.
Okay.
Why the number is already given? Put one more one.
Then again, category create.
It is better you give alphanumeric.
Okay, okay, sir.
Category ID.
So you can see here. You can see here. She had created one. Click on to any one of that beard and create the course on
Okay.
right side. Create new course. Now you can specify the paper.
Okay, okay, okay.
Next
Thank
one,
you, sir.
please. Hello. Hello. Friends, start doing it and I'll wait for you. Sherlyn, you are live.
Is
Yes,
it okay,
great.
sir?
Okay, great. Can you show me the core paper? Can you show me the core
Okay, thank you.
paper? Which one are you clicking? Be it SEM 1. Can you click on to SEM 1? Top. Just click.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay then. This is it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, great. Next one, please. So what you are doing is you had prepared material for a particular SEM and the course paper as well. Tanya ma'am, you are live. Photochemistry. Can you click on to one so that I can see? Start creating the other one. Other side as well. Inorganic chemistry. Ma'am, can you go back to the earlier one? Just go back, please go back. Site administration. Can you go back to site administration? Click on to home. Site administration. Can you go back?
Home.
You have inserted picture also. That is wonderful. See, this is how to insert picture. Specify the cover page of your book or preferred book. Ma'am, side you should. Can you click onto the three bars?
This one.
Click onto that one. 3 bar nearby. Click onto that. Not that one. Next one. The corner one. Click. See, friends, always keep like this one. Otherwise, you will be getting into trouble. Click onto the 3-1 and you can see here. Don't close this bar.
Okay.
Ma'am, click onto site administration. If you have any doubt, take a look at the screen. Go to the left corner. You can see a silver box with 3 lines. Click onto that and that should be visible. See, ma'am, courses. Can you take courses?
ഇതിങ്ങനെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഒരു മൂഡിൽ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ഉണ്ടാക്കി അത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ.
You need to give the web address to your students. That is how you can share. Add a category. Can you click on chemistry? Yes, great. Okay then, ma'am, stop sharing. Next one, please. Hello,
sir.
Yeah, please. I am here.
Hello, sir.
Yes, continue.
Let me share my screen. Yeah. Just a second.
Oh, take your time.
So can you see the screen?
Yes, great. Yes.
What I wanted to know is like, how do I delete this unnecessary, categories that have been created, like this graduate program again here,
Right.
the other one. Can we delete it just in case?
A small arrow is there, no? Hello?
Yes.
Not that one. Here.
Yes, sir.
Click onto that graduate program. There is an eye here.
Yes.
If you want, you can hide. Nearby
Yes.
that, there is a settings.
Right.
Nearby that, there is an arrow. Click onto that arrow. Hello? 2 arrows.
Which one? This one?
No. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next settings. After that.
Down.
No. The next one. Last one. Click onto that. Okay. Hold on. See, friends, this is how to delete.
Okay.
Can you show the process again? She want to delete graduate program. Come to the last one.
Okay.
Not this one. The next, not the next one.
Do I
but
have
the
to
last
select?
one.
Do I have to select?
Oh yeah, select and delete. Last one. Click,
This one.
delete. Not click and delete. That is better.
No,
Click,
no, it's not getting deleted. I don't know. Oh, this one is it?
delete. No, you.
Okay.
Is it getting deleted?
Yes, let me try.
Don't be in a
No,
hurry.
no.
No, it
Continue.
will go.
Let me check again.
Go
So,
back to site administration.
yeah.
Don't be in a hurry. I think either your touchpad is not working properly or your mouse is not working properly. That is why you are jumping from one link to another.
Should I create again another, or where is the old one?
No, delete one and you can create one. See, I told you, click onto the silver box with 3 lines first. Please don't keep your site vacant. I want to see the toolbar. Yeah, this is how you should keep your site. Friends, do keep in mind, I am saying it n number of times. Please, this is the easiest way. After you get familiarized, after you get acclimatized, you can do it on your own. Till we stand on our own legs, let us use it in a proper way. Click onto that. Select one.
I'll select the one that I want to.
Create
Yeah, I
program.
want the one I want to delete. I'll take that.
Click.
Done this?
Oh, yeah, click. Now click onto the arrow after settings.
After?
No. Next. There is a setting. Yeah, that's it. No. Nearby settings, there is an arrow down below. That's one. Click.
Which
Click onto that. Delete. The third item.
Yes. Okay.
Delete.
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
go
Yeah.
to site administration. You can see it is deleted.
Yeah, it's done. It's done.
Okay, friends.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Stop
much.
sharing. Next one, please. Hello. Yes, wonderful, colorful screen. Can you show the item? Smita ma'am, you are live. Hello.
Yeah, bakit छान दिसतोय ग? Anu?
Yes.
Hey, Minu.
Are you talking to me or someone else? Smita ma'am, you are live.
Sir, shall I share my screen?
Please wait for the one who is sharing. After that, you can do. Psychology. Punita ma'am, any issues? Punita ma'am, everything is perfect.
Yes, it's perfect.
Okay,
Thank
then.
you, sir.
Next one, please. Hello. Anyone else? Smita ma'am, live. Yeah, everything is. So see what you have created, introduction to Moodle. So you are going to take class for Moodle. Come on. See, then I'll be getting into trouble. Please, you can take class after some time. Hello. Please create your own course. Hello. Smita ma'am, create your own course. Hello.
Kamala ma'am, I think now you can start presenting. She was waiting there to present.
Okay.
I am
Friends, the
presenting, but are you able to see my screen?
No, then I'll be telling your name. The site is open. Is Kamala ma'am, you are live. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
This is my
great.
site. And
You are going to prepare. You are going to prepare the
I'm
site
sorry,
for
my
your
courses.
institution.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir. This
okay.
is the site exclusively
Can
for
you click
English
on the site
education.
administration? Go to the left
So-
side down below. Go to the left
Yes, sir.
corner
Yes, sir.
down below. Site administration. Click onto that. Let me have it. Look at it. Kamala ma'am, faster. Yeah, great. Click.
Yes. It is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have.
Click.
It is loading.
See, it is time when you are doing such services to your institution, please get a nice net connection. It is loading. Or sit in some vantage point. Yeah, I can see it. Can you take me to course? Add a category.
Sorry. Courses.
You have not created anything, yeah? Go to site administration.
I have
No,
created.
you have
it,
not
sir.
created. Site administration, go again. Yeah, course. Course. Add a category. No, down below. Yeah. Okay, great. Can you, yeah, B.Ed someone. Okay, great. Paper is, click on the B.Ed someone. Kamala ma'am, yeah. Let me see, have you created anything on the other side? Click onto that.
Yes.
Yo.
So there are two subcategories,
should-
sir. Pedagogy of English 1 and Pedagogy of English.
Click onto anyone because I like to see the other one. Other paper you have created on course. Forget about category. I'm not interested in category. I want every one of you to create a course in your category. Then we will take a look. Yeah,
this is
great.
properties
Okay,
and
that's
role
enough.
of-
That's enough. Okay, ma'am. Perfect. Stop sharing. Can you
Thank you, sir.
give a chance to others?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one, please. If everything is okay, it is over to Rono ma'am. Hello, I'm waiting. In the meanwhile, update the assignment which we had given to you. Already you got a file. If you want, you incorporate something more. Tomorrow we will be uploading the whole thing on the server. Anyone else? Hello, Nita ma'am, you are live. Ma'am, go to the site administration. Ma'am, left side, site administration. There is
Okay,
a spanner. Yeah, click onto that.
Okay, sir.
Courses. Go to courses.
Yes, sir.
The third one.
Add a category.
Add a category and show me the page so that I can take a look at the things you have created so far. No. Don't be in a hurry again. I am here. You have not created, huh?
Yes, sir. Already created, sir.
Then it will be visible. Go to the process, site administration, courses, add a new category. Let me tell you, hurry, relax, page, and I am here.
Okay, sir.
See, you don't want to give the web link, statmoodlecloud.com. No, you need to give a particular name for your site. Learning management system for statistics,
Okay,
or
sir.
something like that. Not a web link.
Okay, sir.
That is a mistake. Remove this name. Go to turn editing
Okay,
on.
sir. Okay.
Edit settings. Give a new name to your site. Tomorrow I like to see a new name in that place, not stat.moodlecloud.com. That is a big mistake. Can you
Okay,
go
sir.
back? Stop sharing.
Okay, sir.
Over to someone else. That is a web link. You don't want to copy it here. Anyone else, please? Any questions? Hello? Some of them had started leaving. Ronu ma'am, it's back to you. Sibichan sir, you're live.
Sir, can you see my?
Yes, yes.
Are you able? This is okay.
Go to site administration.
Site administration, sir. Okay.
Category. Courses category.
Courses category. Add a category. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it done?
No. Go back. I want to see the page before that. Just before that, because I want to see the classification. Not manage category. Courses, click on to add a category.
Add a category.
Yeah, click. Why
Yeah.
it is showing like this?
I'm sorry, sir. If you want to see the created courses, we have to go to that manage categories only, it seems.
Yeah, no, otherwise also, if you create also, you can go it from here. Yeah, you show me the manage category. Sibichan, sir, go back to site administration.
Yeah.
Click on to manage category.
Manage category. Yeah. Manage category.
Third one.
That is
Under courses. Under courses.
Under-
No.
Yeah.
The third
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
click on to course.
A manage category. First one.
Yeah,
Manage
category.
courses and category.
Okay, manage courses and categories. Okay, click onto that.
Okay.
Can you? No. What I want is I don't want you to include. You have included someone under miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, we will use it for some other purpose. So,
Okay.
edit.
Okay.
From
This
there,
was
you
created
go to edit. There is a settings here.
Here.
No. Down below.
Here. This.
You forget about miscellaneous. No.
Okay.
Your particular thing. Miscellaneous is already created. You created something
Okay.
under miscellaneous. Click on to.
Okay.
Don't be in a hurry. Go back.
Okay.
The thing under miscellaneous. You can see what is the name given. Teacher training. Click on
Teacher training.
click onto the settings here. Settings here.
Yeah. This one.
No, next nearby that. Click onto that. Edit.
Okay. Edit.
Edit.
Okay.
Specify top. Not
Top.
miscellaneous.
Okay, sir.
Change it into top.
Yeah.
Don't give anything
Yeah,
under
first
miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, we are using it for some other purpose because it should be
Okay,
easily
okay.
visible to the students. Otherwise, they will be in search of
Thank you.
that. Okay, then stop sharing,
Thank you, sir.
please. Stop sharing, please. Give chance to others.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Should we continue?
Yeah.
Those of us who have succeeded in creating the category, should we proceed with the course thing? Or
That we will do tomorrow. No. Now take a break.
Right. Then
you
it's
can
okay.
relax.
Right.
Okay, great.
Okay, sir. I think it is time to wind up.
Yeah.
I invite Dr. Praveena Gopinath, Assistant Professor, St. Joseph's Training College, Mamnanam, to propose the vote of thanks.
Friends, stop sharing, please. Hand it over to the organizers to complete the process.
Good afternoon to all. Can you hear me? Yes, you are
Sir,
audible.
it is loud and clear.
Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Praveena Gopinath, Assistant Professor of St. Joseph's Training College. Now I would like to thank each one of you on behalf of the coordinators and all faculty members of our college. Respected Shyamlal sir, it was a very informative session. You will enlighten us with your knowledge and on digitization of content development and plagiarism checking and helping us to create our own Moodle site. You took great effort to make the session as interactive as possible. We sincerely us for the last 2 hours and your sincere effort to make us all techno-savvies. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Okay, then, friends, bye.
Again, I thank each one of you, the teachers from various who are all eagerly participating in this session. On behalf of St. Joseph's Training College, I thank each one of you. I think let us wind up this session now and hope to meet you all tomorrow. Thank you.